In the first lesson, you will learn what is a multiple time frame and benefits of using it. So let's get started. And first of all, when you start trading, you might know many traders have a profit, and on their trading system, you see that they use many time frame, like 2 time frame, like 3 time frame, 4, and even is a 9 time frame and 6 time frame together. And how they can use it and what is the benefit when they try to combine all the time frame like this. And you can think that multiple time frame just as a method when you combine some of time frame together, and normally the distance between each time frame is a fourth time. For example, you combine 50 minutes time frame, 1 hour's time frame, and 4 hours time frame. And sometimes you also can combine 1 hour's time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame based on your personality and your trading style to get the optimized reward break ratio and optimize your win rate, and also to reduce the drawdown in the market and while you are trading. And that's also the benefits when you combine many time frame together. And for me, I trading with the smart money and also trading with the key level strategies. Therefore, I can optimize reward break ratio and optimize win rate, also reduce drawdown. Here is the 3 important factors while you are trading with the funded account like the FTMO, TCF, or other funds, even in the stock markets or also in the cryptocurrency. Why you can do like this? Because at this time, for example, you are trading on the 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, and 4 hours. At this time, you are analyzed mainly in the 1 hour time frame. We have the high, high, low, and at this time, you entry and stop loss in the 15 minutes time frame and take profits until in the 4 hours time frame. Therefore, at this time, we can have the really nice entry and quite small stop loss. But this stop loss still safety, and take profits at this time is very far in the 4 hours time frame because we can understand from the big pictures, main time frame, and smallest structure of the market to find out the best play to entry, stop loss, and take profits. And sometimes, if you are only trading with one time frame, for example, at this time, either 1 hour, you entry in the 1 hour time frame, stop loss also in the 1 hour, and take profits also in 1 hour too. And at this time, if you compare when you combine 3 time frame like this, of course, at this time, the entry is not exactly like you entry in the 15 minutes time frame, and stop loss at this time also quite big, because the structure and every pattern, every signals on the 1 hour time frame also have a bigger deviation when you combine with the 15 minutes time frame. And of course, at this time, take profits only in the 1 hour time frame, also smaller than the 4 hours. Therefore, when you combine many time frame, normally from 2 to 3 time frame, you can have the really nice profits, really nice reward break ratio. That is the main factors and main benefits of using multiple time frame. That's also all about the video today. Hope to see you in the next video.